in isolation, and I wanted to thank you again for being patient with me and all of your professors as we figure out what to do in order to best help you learn. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the guidelines for the practice presentation groups that we're scheduled to go tomorrow, Wednesday, and also I'm going to be giving you some resources about how to complete this group presentation assignment that's due next Monday and Wednesday, depending upon your group. First, here are the changes to this assignment. Instead of presenting to the class physically, your group will create a video of your presentation to share with the class and the professors. Group members should record their parts of the presentation individually and then share those video files with the team. You are allowed to refilm your own parts of the presentation. And I suggest that you film in short clips, maybe 5 to 30 seconds, instead of trying to do your whole presentation at once. The performance appraisal report will no longer be a required assignment. Instead, I will evaluate you on the feedback you provide to your classmates. Instead of the 3 points for the PAR, you will receive 3 points based on your performance on the peer review sheets. But here's what's the same about your assignment. I'm grading you on the communication of your project ideas and your improvement based upon feedback from me and your classmates, not your video editing skills. Each group member is expected to present, although your presentation time may not be equal. You are still making this presentation to request feedback from your classmates and the professors. So I understand that some of you are uncomfortable providing videos of yourself. If someone in your group expresses a strong need to not provide a video of themselves, please take the following actions. First, have that group member provide an audio file of their part of the presentation. That same group member should take the lead on editing the video in order to ensure that their image is not shared online. The finished video should be posted as an unlisted YouTube video and the link should be sent to me. Once your midterm portfolio has been graded, you can delete the video from YouTube. All students should understand that the formal presentation videos, these ones I expect next week, will be shared with a small group of professors and staff in addition to your classmates. I will share those names with you once I have confirmed all of them. I suggest the following processes and I encourage you to share your own methods on the group chat. I'm sure there's ways of doing this that I haven't thought of. So first, you need to have some options to record your own part. And again, I suggest recording short clips of the presentation instead of the whole section at once. So you could use your phone to take a video of yourself talking through your presentation part. If you're on a Mac, there's an app called Photo Booth that allows you to record from your own laptop camera. That's what I'm using right now. I'm sure there's some Windows alternatives too. Usually the cameras that come with your laptop have some kind of program attached to them. If your family has a video camera and a tripod, you could use that too. Start a new meeting with Zoom. Offer to host a meeting, don't invite anybody to it, and it will show you on the camera, and down below there's something that says like record this conversation. You can record it either to the cloud or to your own computer. Once you've recorded your spoken part, here are some options to share your individual video files with your team members. Since these files are large files, people have used Simplicity, Google Drive, and Dropbox. I'll provide some links to these services in the description below. Once you've shared the individual files, here's some options to combine the individual videos with your PowerPoint slides. And again, please share your reviews of these software packages on the group chat. I know what works for me, but something else might work better for you. So iMovie is free on all Macs, and that's the program I'm using to make this video. I'll link below some tutorials on how to use iMovie. Some programs that work on Windows are called Blender, Lightworks, DaVinci Resolve, and OpenShot. For all these programs, there should be an option to add images. Save your PowerPoint or Google Slides as JPEGs or other image files to import them into the program. Again, I am not evaluating your video editing skills. They may look a lot like my crappy videos. In order to provide the presentation groups that we're going to go on Wednesday with enough time to learn this whole new medium, their practice presentation videos are due at midnight on Thursday, March 12th. So for Wednesday's class periods, both the 11:30 and the 5 o'clock class periods, I will be available on Zoom to answer questions and to receive team updates. If your group presented on Monday, you should look through the peer response feedback that you got on your practice presentation and provide me with the technical title of your presentation by Thursday morning, March 12th. On Friday morning, I will send everyone in the class the practice presentation videos and the peer response sheets. You are expected to provide a peer response to the groups by Saturday evening. I'm really sorry to give you some homework on a weekend, but I hope that you'll understand, and I want to make sure that all groups get enough feedback to do a good job on their presentation videos. Thank you for continuing to send me drafts, and I'm doing my best to get my feedback to you in a timely manner. And again, please send me questions and comments on the group chat. I'm happy to talk with you.